Hello everyone, welcome to BUS ML 4212 Customer Relationship Management course. I'm Dong-Soo Kim, the instructor of this course. In this video, I'm going to overview the course. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Dong-Soo Kim, and Dong-Soo is my first name and Kim is my last name. So you can call me Dong-Soo or just Dong. And I'm currently an assistant professor of marketing at Ohio State University. And this is my contact information. My office is 558 Fisher Hall, but yeah, you cannot meet with me in this semester. And in this semester, I do not have a fixed office hour because of coronavirus pandemic. And this is my email address, and so you can email me to make an appointment. And I'm going to respond to your message with a Zoom meeting invitation as soon as possible. And I'm from South Korea, so I'm not a native speaker. And my mother tongue is math. Seriously. That is, this course is totally mathematical. What does that mean? That means you will learn several mathematical tools in this course. This course is not just to overview what is CRM. You will learn how to implement the CRM in practice through these mathematical tools: customer value matrix, RFM analysis, and logistic regression. This course includes lectures and lab sessions. In the lectures, you will learn what those mathematical tools are and when and why you use those tools. And in the lab sessions, which follows the lectures, and I'm going to share real data sets with you, and you will learn how to actually conduct analysis with the tools you learned in the lectures. For analysis, we are going to use Microsoft Excel and IBM SPSS statistics software. So I want you to actually do it, not just learn it in this course. Class logistics. This course is an online course, and each week is designed for one topic. Most of your work will be delivered asynchronously. In each week, there will be one or two recorded lectures followed by a lab session. All materials for lab will be provided, including the lab material note and data files and demonstration video. And additional HBR articles and video materials will be provided. And there will be an online quiz in each week, but there will be a synchronous component as well. So we will have 4 synchronous meetings via Zoom. I will show the detailed schedule in the next slide. And in the meeting, we will have a group discussion. You will be randomly assigned into several groups and asked to discuss managerial challenges related to the cases in the lab. After discussion, one of your group members will submit your solutions via email and briefly present them. And a guideline for the group discussion will be provided. And if time permits, we will have a Q&A session for the lab. So all students are basically expected to join the online meeting. But if you expect your absence, please immediately let me know and discuss with me about how to make up. And this is the course schedule table. This course is a half semester course, so we have 7 weeks in total. In the first week, I will introduce CRM and conceptual foundations. You will read the textbook, watch my lecture video, and read or watch additional materials. And then you will take an online quiz. And all lecture video and additional materials will be available in Carmen website. And in the second week, I will introduce several metrics to measure the customer values. The format is the same as the first week: textbook, lecture, and additional materials and quiz. In addition, there is a lab assignment. As I told you, all materials, including video demonstration, will be provided. In the third week, you will learn customer lifetime value. The format is the same as the second week: textbook, lecture, additional materials, quiz, and the lab. During this week, we will meet online to discuss managerial challenges related to the case in week 2 lab assignment. In the fourth week, you will learn RFM analysis for customer classification, and the format is the same. During this week, we will meet online to discuss managerial challenges related to the case in week 3 lab assignment. And in the fifth week, you will learn logistic regression in the same format, including the group discussion for the case in week 4 lab assignment. In the sixth week, we will discuss about how to implement CRM and loyalty program. This week's topic is like a general discussion, not those mathematical tools. So instead of having a lab session, there will be 2 individual assignments with HBR articles. You will read those articles and be asked to be asked to summarize the articles. And we will meet online for the group discussion for the case in week 5 lab assignment. In the last week, I will introduce a real case of the mathematical tools. You will read an article and watch my video that explains the situation managers actually faced in the case. And then you will watch my another video for the demonstration for lab assignment, where you will be asked to conduct analysis in the article. And actually, there was supposed to be another synchronous meeting to help you do the assignment, but due to the instructional break, we cannot have a regular meeting in this week. So if you face any trouble during the lab, please don't hesitate to contact me to make an appointment for one-on-one meeting. I will be there to help you. And in this schedule table, I use color codes for your convenience. For example, this bold black indicates the topic of each week, and this color indicates, maybe this is gray, right? This gray color indicates the readings required for each week. And blue means the lecture videos, and this green means the additional video materials, and the red indicates the quizzes, and black indicates the assignment you have to do in each week. And the black with the underline and the yellow, the highlights, indicates our asynchronous meetings. Again, to get the credit, you have to successfully finish all of those items. And you can find the same schedule table in our course syllabus as well. Grading. There are 5 components of grading. First, we have quizzes. Again, there will be an online quiz in each week. The quiz covers all lectures and additional materials provided in the week. It contains several true-false, multiple choice, and short answer questions. And second, lab assignment. There are 5 assignments. For each assignment, we will have 1 or 2 recorded videos will be provided to demonstrate how to conduct data analysis covered in online lecture. And detailed lab procedures and data sets will be provided, and you will submit your answers and the lab files online. So please note that each lab assignment is basically designed as an individual assignment. That is, each of you must submit your own original work and answers. Some discussions are allowed, like what is the due date for this assignment, something like that, but any other types of collaboration are not permitted. Third, in-class discussion. As I introduced, we will have 4 in-class group assignments related to the cases in the lab assignment. All students will be randomly divided in the small groups of 4 or 5 students, and all the students will be asked to discuss about several managerial questions and develop CRM strategies with group members. Detailed directions for the discussion will be provided at the beginning of each the in-class discussion session, and after the discussion, one of the students in each group will submit the answers to the questions via email to me and present their strategies. And fourth, other individual assignments. In week 6, two HBR case study materials will be assigned. They are real-world examples relevant to the topic of the week. They will be discussed in the lecture, so you are required to read and summarize the assigned case studies before watching the lecture. An online submission page will be provided on Carmen website with several questions that actually help you summarize the cases. By answering those questions, you can understand the case studies and critically think why they are important and how you can apply the knowledge to other cases. These are also individual assignments, so that each of you must submit your own original answers. And of course, any types of collaboration are not permitted. Fifth, attendance and participation. To receive full credit of attendance and participation, you have to successfully attend and participate all online activities and in-person classes. If you miss an activity or a class, there will be a proportional deduction in your grade. Due date and late submissions. The due date of each quiz and assignment will be announced with the quiz and assignment instruction in Carmen website. And late submissions will be accepted, but there will be a 10% penalty per day after the due date. So if you need more time for the quiz and assignment due to any personal issues, please email me immediately. We can figure out the best way for both you and me. And textbook. We will use this textbook, Customer Relationship Management Concept, Strategy, and Tools. This is the third edition, which was published first in 2018. The authors of this textbook are V. Kumar and Warner Reynolds. This book is available in Amazon and the university bookstore. HBR articles. There are 4 HBR articles that we will use in this course. The first one, Blue Apron article, introduces a real case where customer real lifetime value is used to decide the firm's strategic action. We will use this in week 3, and the second and third ones are the articles you have to read and summarize in week 6 before watching the lecture. And the last one, Pilgrim Bank article, will be used in our case study week, the last week. And because of the copyright of those articles, I cannot share my copy with you. Instead, I made the course pack in HBR website. This is the link of our course pack, and you can access this link in the slide file of this video. Just click the link to go to the purchase and download page for those articles. Oh, sorry. And software. We will use Microsoft Excel and IBM SPSS statistics. Excel will be used for all assignments, and SPSS will be used for the last 2 assignments. You can find the detailed instructions of how to install the software in our course syllabus. So please refer to page 3 in our course syllabus for the installation. And if you have any problems during installation, please email me immediately. I can help you, and I will help you to resolve the problems. And the others, please see the syllabus and carefully read the syllabus for the details. Our course syllabus is uploaded in syllabus tab of our current website. And the syllabus is a contract between you and me. That means it is your responsibility to read the syllabus carefully and clearly understand what the syllabus says and keep in mind what is the important thing to do to get your credit. If you have any questions and concerns during this course, please email me immediately. I, as the instructor of this course, will always be here to help you. Okay, that's all I have in this video. And see you soon. Bye-bye.